The main purpose of anaerobic digestion of wastewater sludge has always been to reduce sludge volume and mass while producing biogas. Today, the real driver is energy and sustainability. A well-operated digester delivers heat and power, and at the same time solves the sludge disposal challenge. Proper digester mixing is essential for a well-operated digester. Different mixing principles can be used to achieve this. Landia is different. Focused on simplicity and efficiency, we developed the Landia GasMix. The Landia GasMix is mounted externally on the digester. The Landia GasMix fits both new and existing digesters, with no tank entry and no large cranes required. The sludge is recirculated using a Landia chopper pump. It macerates solids, prevents clogging, and increases the active surface area for anaerobic bacteria. The sludge is recirculated and injected back into the digester, creating effective horizontal and vertical mixing. The middle nozzle is the GasMix nozzle. It uses the Venturi principle, combining gas and sludge to create both horizontal and vertical mixing. The Landia GasMix ensures homogeneous mixing of the digester. As part of the mixer selection, CFD simulation is often used as an important design tool. The Landia GasMix is a flexible mixing solution. Both mixing cycles and mixing time can be adapted to the specific characteristics of the digester. This is a clear advantage if operating conditions change, for example when co-digestion is introduced. Thanks to the external installation, service is simple and easy. All maintenance is carried out from ground level. This is a major advantage for personnel. No working at height and no exposure to the gas phase. In summary, the key advantages of the Landia GasMix include: service is simple and easy, less man-hours; improved health and safety conditions, no work in gas zone; no gas leak or temperature drop during maintenance; overall costs are less due to simpler installation; less space required for repair jobs compared to other technologies; and just as importantly, the Landia GasMix is 100% gas-tight, eliminating the risk of greenhouse gas emissions from the system. Landia.